Japanese style interior design is famous for harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. It is like a piece of art. It is more about the feeling. People often call this interior design as the Zen style. Here are 3 tips to complete your Japanese interior design. Number 1. Quality and details. Japanese design. This design is more about the quality and the details. It does not need luxury things. It uses natural elements and natural colors, uses wooden material and natural colors like white, black, and gray. This interior design also uses natural plants and flowers. Number 2. Harmony and respect. The harmony and the respect are about the harmony between nature and the people. You should also design with simplicity. The simplicity is about the simplicity of the detail. Tranquility is also important. The concept is about the harmony between peace and movement. Number 3. Simplicity. You should design the Japanese style furniture with simplicity and detail. Most Japanese style furniture use wood, but the Japanese style furniture can also comprise other materials like paper, bamboo, and resin. And that's it. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.